Namaste. Today we will discuss a very important topic where I will show you in the birth chart where is my throne and who will give me the throne. Basically, we will explain that which planets in which house shall give you the chair or the karma which can get you the chair. It's a very important topic, and all the nine planets actually give different set of uh, activities using which you can get your throne. The throne means that you will be having a leadership position, or you will gain a significant advantage in terms of your karmic activities if you follow the pattern as per the planets. In the coming slide I will show you all the nine planets which shall give you the significations. Now here I have listed all the planets from Sun to Saturn in order to show you that which planet controls what. So for example, if we are talking about Sun, the Sun will give government job. You can take up activity of gold, or you can activity of pursuing or leading any dharmic institution, and all the signification of Sun which are written here can be used to pursue your throne. Similarly, if you look at moon, the moon will give you the homeland, anything relating with your mother or motherland, or basically doing anything relating to residential houses. Uh, if you have anything relating with the old customs, pursuing old customs will give you the chair. Then we come to Mars. Mars is a warrior planet. So possibly the professions like police, defense, action hero, or you can say athletics, because Mars is all about athletic energy. You can also pursue real estate and land related things. So like that, I have listed all the significations as an example. This is not a complete list, but a few of the points I have written so that you can understand that if these planets or the signs owned by these planets, I have mentioned the signs in the brackets, if those signs of the zodiac signs of the Rashis appear on the 10th house, you can actually pursue that activity, and that activity will give you the gains. The only condition is that the Lord of the 10th house should not be placed at an inauspicious um, house in the birth chart, or the 10th lord should not be in the wrong place, because if the 10th lord is in the wrong place, then pursuing these activities can give you a lot of problems, or the profession will be destroyed, or the chair will be taken off. So like that, we shall now see some charts to make you understand how these significations happen. Now let me explain you the what the planets in the 10th house do, because the 10th house is the house of the karma, it is the house of the kingship, it is the throne. The planets which come and sits in the 10th house will give you the throne. For example, let us say Mercury comes into the 10th house. So you will get a throne using voice, speech, communication, journalism, books, or writing. These activities will get you the throne. Similarly, if you get Saturn in the 10th house, you will get your throne through common man, through people who are ignored by the society, from the people who are very poor. So you will become the king of the poor. That's how the planets give the effect. The effects get modified depending on which Rashi, okay, the planet is in. For example, if Mercury is in Taurus sign, so possibly the Taurus is all about banks, accumulated wealth. So you may get your throne by speaking about wealth, or communicating about wealth, or writing about wealth, and that will give you the throne. That's how you see the magnifications. Therefore, if you look at the chart of Sri Ram, the 10th house has got the sun, and the sign in which it is placed is Aries, one number sign. This is the first sign of the zodiac. Aries represent warrior. Aries represents moving energy. Aries represents moving forward. And Sun represents the kingship. He became the king, and he was a kingly warrior. He fought with Ravana on for the truth, and sun is all about the truth. So sun in Aries means fighting for the truth, which has given him the throne. That's how you see the significations of the planets. Now let's look at another chart which will actually give you the details of how the sun plays or any other planet plays in the 10th house. This is a chart of Indian Prime Minister PM Narendra Modi, and I have put in a picture of small chair so that you can straight away identify which is the 10th house. In the 10th house, he has two planets. One is the Saturn, and second one is the Venus. Now, both these planets will give him the chair. So, if you look at the Saturn, Saturn represents the masses, the common man, the democracy. He was made the prime minister by Indian population, and all the masses gave him huge amount of support, and he got the chair. If he keeps on continuing work for the poor and also work for the females, because Venus is also there, he is not going to lose his chair. So it's very important message that if he focuses on poor and also on the feminine aspect, which is Venus, okay, or any Venus related activities, he will definitely get the chair. The other part very interesting is that Venus is in Leo, and both these planets are in Leo, and Leo is a sign of the sun. So he will get the power of the sun through these two planets. And Venus in Leo also represents entertainment, marketing, showing your communications through marketing. And if you look at the amount of advertising and the amount of you say media which he has used, okay, he has actually been able to change the mindset of the people. So this is how the other planets impact and give you the chair. Now let's take another chart of Mahatma Gandhi. In the case of Mahatma Gandhi, look at the word where I have written throne, again the 10th house, and you have moon in the sign number 4. Sign number 4 I have just explained in the previous slides is about motherland, and people residing on the motherland. He fought for the motherland, and why he fought and why he created a rebel in the minds of the people is because of Rahu's association with the moon. So moon here made him the king of the people, and till date, even after his death, there is an undying fame. The job of Rahu is to amplify, to basically give a power of enormous nature, whichever planet it associates. So, so Mahatma Gandhi created a kind of a rebel environment in India so that people can revolt and save for the motherland. So it perfectly fits. The moon sitting in the 10th house, okay, can do this. The other signification with what I've written is that about the food, etc. One can pursue food also, but again, Moon and Rahu means poisonous food. So we have to select the planets in a very careful manner in order to pursue any particular activity. And here the rule of the Jyotish and the shlokas of old Maheshis are perfectly applicable. It works, and it 100% works.